Hi. So I come to this place quite a lot. This is not even a park. This is more like the woods. But I noticed something very interesting a few days ago that got me thinking, and it gave me like sort of like a metaphoric way of thinking about this. So this is very interesting to me. From this side over here, from this side over here, over there, from that point on, everything is green. You see butterflies, you see frogs, you see snakes, you see dragonflies, you see flowers, you see rabbits, you see many things. Every time you go to that side of this place, all those things, you're always gonna see them there. Now, when you are on this side of this place, this wood, from from that point on, everything is like this. It's dry. There is no butterflies. I had never seen a butterfly here. I never seen snakes. I never seen rabbits. I never seen dragonflies. I had seen squirrels, birds, but that's it. You don't see flowers. You don't see anything like that. And it got me thinking like, hmm, this is quite interesting. How literally from that point on, from this point on, from this point there is green and rich. Now, from that point up here, it's almost literally like no life. Look at the trees, look at even the trees, how they look. All of them are dry. But I also notice some patches, some green patches growing here. Like you would see like a green patch there, a green patch over there, a green patch over there, and so on. And it seems like it's slowly, green parts has been integrating in this dry side. What metaphysic, I hope I'm saying it right, learning, lesson I get from it. It's sort of like, it's sort of like literally like God's work. Like it doesn't matter how dark things might look. It doesn't matter how dry and dusty and bad they look. There is this line which I perceive is as the good side, slowly, slowly, but steady, moving into this side. It's slowly taking over. Even though, even though like when things might seem that they're not moving, they are moving. Not because we cannot see it, doesn't mean that things are not moving forward. It's sort of like the light is always gonna overpower the dark. It might take time. It might take time. But slowly, that is the goal. Like look at this place. Look at all of this over here. Oh, oh look at this over here. And all this From that point on, it's just life. I'm okay. I was a dry little branch. Sort of as I get this thing as the end is always the same. It's like in the Bible. It doesn't matter what happens. It's almost like if everything is written, the end is the same. And it's the light overtakes the dark. Even when it seems that we're not moving, we're still moving because we're moving forward. It's like when you're doing the good stuff, right? And you don't see progress, or it seems like nothing is moving, but you're still doing the progress, like you're still moving forward. You're still thinking positive. You're still aligning. You're still doing good. You're still doing good, promoting good. Even though like it might seem like things are not moving, like like nothing is changing, but it is. Slowly it is. Slowly the lie gonna take over the dark. Even when it doesn't seem like. And this is what I get from this. Felt like quite interesting. Like from that point on that I'll show you guys. It's life. And you can see all kind of things there. But from this point on, it's nothing. It's nothing. Everything is dry. Still life. It's like surviving. It's like they're still holding. I don't know. I get the metaphoric thing about it. Maybe just what it is. Maybe just the land. I don't know. But that's my take from that. And I thought about sharing it with you guys. You know what is interesting? Sometimes I come here and I feel like a very interesting sensation. Sometimes I feel kind of like dizzy kind of thing, and I don't know why. Sometimes I feel like that, like kind of like lightheaded, but not just this side of this place. It's like the whole thing, and I don't know why. I think it's pretty interesting. But that's all I wanted to share with you guys today. My metaphoric thinking about this place. Thank you guys for watching. See you into the next video. Bye.